Good morning to anyone that's tuning in. Today for me is day one and I'm doing this video because I'm putting it out there that from this day forward I'm going to be uploading my progress, my motivation, my goals and my commitments to the world, to you guys, what is necessary to make everything you've ever imagined happen. So I know I need to do this. This is my therapy. This is my way to keep going. So I am going to show you everything that I want to do and everything that I will do to make this happen. So today feels like day one. I've just come back from Vietnam. I've spent 3 amazing weeks there with my partner. We had an absolute amazing time. We got many inspirations and we've got much motivation to continue on the path that we want to go forward with the rest of our remote working life and business and excitement and all of those things that, you know, fulfill your life and make you want to do more for people and give and just do better, be better people. So today, instead of getting stuck straight back into work, I've got so much work I need to do. What I decided to do is, just set up my office again, get things ready, get my mind back in the game. I've got an amazing network of people around me that are motivating me. Joshy, Dan, Wes, thank you for listening in. Thank you for helping me get back on track and figure out exactly what it is I wanted to do. So Dan, I was inspired by you showing me your office. So this is what I've done. I've set myself my daily planner of everything I need to do every single day, plus the quotes that keep me motivated to keep doing it. It's things about habits, things to form habits. Joshy, I've got the first 4 of these 8 essential goals that we needed to plan. I've got another 4 to go. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm going to make it happen. I guarantee that to you. And then, Frida, we set these goals 6 months ago. We've got 6 months to go and we're going to achieve them. I know that. And then behind us is all the little inspirational quotes that just keep us going. And Dan, remember something that we committed to? We wanted to be part of the K2 elite team within 12 months. Well, that 12 months actually is today because I got a little reminder on Facebook. We did have a bit of a false start last year. This year we're going to make it happen. 12 months from now, we guarantee that we're going to be part of that K2 elite team. Okay, my brother, love you. Love all of you boys. Love you, Frida. Speak to you soon. Tune in, please. Next time. Bye.